Hey guys, what's going on? Josh over at Alien3d just sent me a care package from ERRF 2020 that happened, what, 3 or 4 months ago? A lot of the people that were involved in it, a lot of the companies, and they sent him all kinds of goodies, and he mailed them out. You know, we couldn't go there in person and walk around and see all the vendors in person and get goodies, so Josh compiled a lot of them, and if he paid for shipping, he sent them out to everybody. And we got it right here. Let's open it up and see what we got. My wife wanted to be in this video, but for some reason she changed her mind. So anyway, that would have been fun, but she didn't want to do it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Very cool. Very nice. Like a little name badge. And we got a circuit board for something here. Well, that's a sample. Let's go through all the stickers here and show you what we got. All kinds of goodies. Slice Engineering. I print with pasta, world's best filament, protopasta.com. Very cool. Very nice. Well, there's a lot of stuff in here. 3D printing professor. Cool. 3D printing professor. Greengate 3D. Very nice Greengate 3D sticker. Printed solid. Very cool. Wow. Oh, wow. I've always wanted one of these. ERRF 2020. I've got a, well, as a matter of fact, it's right here. You can't see it off camera, but my enclosure right there has a lot of stickers on it. I'll have to go through these and pick out the best of them and the companies that I'm familiar with and add to it. Very cool. See what we got here. Wham Bam. Awesome. $20% off. Microswiss.com. 20% off card. Very cool. For my name badge, Alien3d. E3D Online. Another lanyard. Let's see, powered by Dual 3D. Nice little chrome sticker. And here's a clip for the lanyard. That's what it appears to be. And we got some filament. Prusament PLA. Galaxy Black. Mystic Green. 1.75 millimeter. Very nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's kind of a greenish and a black all in one. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. That looks very cool. Oh, wow. A clear spool holder. This is neat. I never expected all this. Wow. That's cool. And let's see. ERRF 2020. There. ERRF 2020. Very nice. Looks like we got a t-shirt possibly. Yeah, t-shirt. See what we got here. And I've eaten a lot of cookies, so I'm not sure if it'll fit me. It says choose 3D on the back. And the front says choose 3D printing, choose an extruder, choose a hot end, heater block, choose a big fat volcano, nozzle spotting, choose 3D printing. That's cool. Very nice. Yeah, that'll fit me. Very nice shirt. This is awesome, Josh. And everybody that was a part of a virtual ERRF, thank you very much. Snow Labs, little sticker, Snow Labs. Very cool. Yeah, that was a lot of stuff in there. A lot of cool goodies. Let me take you over to Josh's site, alien3d.us, and He's got all kinds of goodies. He's got his mystery UFO boxes, a monthly subscription service you can get involved in. He sends out all kinds of goodies every month. And he sells all kinds of parts and equipment and filament and this and that and other, and just a little bit of everything. So this is very cool. Yeah, thank you very much, Josh. This is really nice. So let me jump over to his site and I'll show you. Oh, one other thing. A friend of mine, Zolan Online, told me about this wireless mic that I picked up off Amazon. It's not a $200 wireless setup. It's about a $45 to $50 wireless setup. And hey, if it works good, that's good. I don't need to go out and spend $200, but I figured I'd try something fairly cheap and see how well it worked. I do have my boom mic that's on when I sit down to do my live streams, but that's kind of a pain in the butt. When I get too far away from it, you can't hear me. So we're going to see how well this one works. There is a lapel that I can put on here. I chose to put the one over my ear. We'll see how that works, but I'll put a link in the description, and I'll show you here in a minute what the box looks like. But yeah, let's go check out Josh's site. Yeah, here's Josh's site right here, alien3d.us. And yeah, very nice looking site. He's got all kinds of filament. He's got parts. He's got a little bit of anything and everything. Yeah, a lot of great stuff here. Great prices. But yeah, please go check him out. And there'll be a link below in the description. If you don't remember what I just said, where he's at, I'll have a link below in the description to him. But yeah, very, very cool. Yeah, here's that wireless headset that I'm using right here. Zolan told me about. He sent me a link to it over on Amazon.com here in the U.S. Put up the camera so you can see it. Yeah, it was like $45, $46. And I'll put a link, affiliate link in the description below if you guys like to check it out. For every little penny, I make a little bit of money here and there on qualifying purchases. So if, you use my links, it helps me out a little bit. I appreciate it. But yeah, so far so good. And let's see, a little doohickey in my pocket, the transmitter. It's very small. It's made out of metal. We'll see how well it holds up. I got the other one plugged in the front of my computer, the receiver. So, yeah. I should have a pretty decent range, but if I can walk around and not trip over my cord and people can hear me better, that will be cool. And also, my friend Matthew Nicholas, which was doing the Ecto-1 Ghostbuster car, sent me out. I asked him if he had some extra stickers. He did. He sent me out some cool stickers for my Ghostbuster project that I'm slowly working on. It will eventually get done. But anyway, these will be for the back of the car and on the doors. But yeah, check these out. These are very cool. He had a bunch of them made out, and he was nice enough to send me 3 of them. And thank you, Matt. It's awesome. I really appreciate that. So, yeah. Please like, subscribe, share the video. Go check out Josh over in Alien3d. He has so much amazing stuff, and his monthly subscription boxes are a great deal. Like I say, you get samples of filament, you get goodies, you get little electronical projects to work on every month. It's, check him out. He's not in any way sponsoring me or paying me to say any of this, nor is anybody. But yeah, thank you very much, and happy printing.